So now they want to recall the loan.
You send them fake taxes. How are you going to get a new loan?
The current loan right now is 3%.
I'm confused. Okay. On the phone it sounded good, but now?
It's a lot different.
What did I say? We're in the best line in the real estate industry.
Your skills are not where they need to be in order to make 7 figures.
And if you're not going to make $1 million, you made 800,000.
If you break it down, you can do 15 calls an hour. That'll get you to around 100 calls a day.
Either way, you're a winner.
You don't get a bad loan or you get a property.
Let's get ready for the new lion. Ooh.
Let's go hang this thing.
That's your lion, buddy.
It's my lion.
That's you.
Lion.
You have your face on it.
Exactly like you.
You see? It looks like a good-hearted lion. That's the rabbi lion.
Exactly.
2023, people are gonna hear the name HML all over the nation. We're in the best line in the real estate industry. All we gotta do is focus our mind and be committed. If you're not committed, you're not gonna make it. This is all between you and yourself. For 1 year, let me prove myself. Let me prove what I told you from day one. You're gonna make $1 million. And if you're not gonna make $1 million, you made 800,000. And next year we're gonna bring new lines. You're all gonna be the commander-in-chief because they're all gonna work for you. So you refi, to get someone else. Why did you go with them? Oh, they gave you a good deal? 3%?
The current loan right now is 3%.
So, I'm confused. Okay, so if it's 3%, why are you refinancing?
It's a long story.
Tell me. I have time.
I don't go on to talk here.
Because we definitely have some questions, especially now that you're saying it's
but not
3%.
here.
Yeah, I understand. Can we see one of the units inside? All right, let's go. Now that's a challenge. You see what I see, right?
Yeah.
You feel what I feel?
Yep.
That's why I always talk about feeling the situation, meeting the people face to face. On the phone it sounded good, but now
It's a lot different.
I let you make the decision. You Mr. Cash.
Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result to happen. If you don't improve your skills, if you don't change your daily habits, right? If you don't change the actions that you're doing this year from what you did last year, nothing's gonna change in your life. Everyone in this call should make at least 100 grand. Some have the opportunity to make $1 million based on your skill set. Some of you guys on this call, your skills are not where they need to be in order to make 7 figures. I'm just gonna be straight up honest with you right now. Your first 6 to 12 months in this business are going to be the hardest part of your entire experience in hard money lending because you're just starting out and you have to build a pipeline, all right? As we know in hard money, not all scenarios are created equal, right? Some are crap, right? And you have to sort through the crap to find what's good and what's actually going to stick.
In the history of sales, everybody will tell you what the numbers get. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you make for yourself, the better results you'll get. If you break it down, you can do 15 calls an hour. That'll get you to around 100 calls a day.
So why you need to refinance now?
The mortgage company, requested for the transcript. It was still the old one. So now they want to recall the loan.
You send them fake taxes. How are you going to get a new loan? So you have good enough taxes to
Absolutely.
qualify? So why he had to submit fake taxes if you can qualify?
This is 2019, but I have my 2020 and I have my 2021.
Let's talk in the next couple of days.
Okay.
What did I say? Fraudulent documents, calling off the loan. You take a headache from somebody else
Put it on your lap.
you put it on your lap and your investor's lap, and you put your whole business in jeopardy just to help this one person that tried to screw the system. 4 properties are in jeopardy and he's about to lose them. You're going to tell him, listen, if you're not going to find a solution and you're going to think about selling the properties, we're willing to consider buy the properties from you. Either way, you're a winner.
You don't get a bad loan or you get a property.
Yeah, we don't want bad loans. You don't want problem with the investors because the investors, when they lose money, you get in trouble. We get in trouble. We do not want anything to do with that. Razitup.
I'm gonna just yell out your name and just tell me what your goals are.
I want to go over 150,000. I already got one in my pipeline. I know it's not a big deal, but it's one.
I want to make sure that I get at least 10 million in sales volume.
I want to make at least 300K this year.
1 hour per day on personal growth. Consistent cash flow, 180 to 250K a year.
Tired of wasting time and just try to jump into it and close as many deals as possible. I wanna make like over 100, 200,000 this year.
One thing that I want to focus on myself is, of course, making those 100 calls a day. I plan on developing videos, YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram shorts. Get our company out there, get us out there, get our products out there. Aspiring to get to around 30,000 a month.
I'm projecting 50 to 100 a month in sales. Hope to make that $1 million mark by the end of the year.
Hey, am I leaving anybody out? I don't know who's here still. Oh, is Victoria here?
Yes, I'm here. My goal, first of all, to get my real estate license. Definitely going out there, meeting more people in person. I feel like for me it works the best. My goal this year, at least 300,000.
I want HML and Jerry Rivera to be synonymous to hard money lending because I know residential and commercial, I'm really trying to go for $30,000 to $50,000 a month. If you're excited too, we have a big opportunity to make a ton of money here. I mean, I know there's a lot of salespeople here. I've been in sales for 25 years. I want to just let you guys know, for me, I'm super excited about 2023.
Razitup.